My mama raised me good, I got to say, and now I'm out here at the front with my little bro A, and that's all night. Yeah, I've been throwing bands all night. Heart full of gold, pouring feelings all night. I've been throwing bands all night. Yeah, there it go, yeah, there it go. I've been throwing bands all night. I've been on the run and I do it all like. I've been throwing bands all night. Yeah, there it go, yeah, there it go. I said there it go. Hold on, if I op, try to say they wanna smoke. Roll up, you know I had to even up the scope. Went up, I do it for the family and the bros. Well up, I'm on, right out, wait, yeah. I'm only talking money conversation. By the time my mama that I made it, I'm swerving through the land, I'm in a space ship, racing. Walk in the dark, now I run to the light. Label steady calling, so I had to other price. Dismiss, wanna talk to me nice on the low. I said, go, go, go. I've been throwing bands all night. Heart full of gold, pouring feelings all night. I've been throwing bands all night. Yeah, there it go, yeah, there it go. I've been throwing bands all night. I've been on the run and I do it all like. I've been throwing bands all night. Yeah, there it go, yeah, there it go. Said I'm finna go up. Love it, I got a place that we could post up. Scrolling through the gram, I'm on a poster. I don't even like you, I'm just bored. Yeah, yeah. Why you looking at me? Can you turn around right now? You just wanna ride my wave pipe down, but I'm making racks on the phone right now. Walk in the dark, now I run to the light. Label steady calling, so I had to other price. Dismiss, wanna talk to me nice on the low. I said, go, go, go. I've been throwing bands all night.
Oota, kuidas see pidurdamine käis jälle?
Taga kandi peal, varba tõus maast. Kaluta.
Ma ei saa pisti ju! Okei, vaata proovime uuesti. Ikka ei saa pisti!
Tule rahulikult pisti need. Proovin mitte ropendada enam. Oi, mõne muuti! Ma saan sul tagasi sirgeks, aga... Ma arvan, et sa pead terve.
Okei, proovime. Kui sõidan, siis mina ei tea. Loodan, et neid kilutada. Oi, mõne muuti! Jätta teed. Oi, ikka mööda. Tegin ennem samamoodi, ainult veits sullemini. Oi, mine mu!
Jõudsin ka järgi.
Oi, mine muhku, noh.
On täpselt nagu see Minecrafti kirves.
Pikeks. Kirkale. Oi s***!
Sai laiget või?
Ei saanud. Push hold, vaata.
Praegu see ei ole nagu väga fish eye siis, jah?
Fish eye.
Veits on, või?
Mis asi?
Nagu see lens.
Ai, see on tavaline lens. Otsas.
Okei, nice.
See on see originaallens. Mul lihtsalt 0,5 super wide'i peal. Või super view.
Nice.
Aga davai.
Okei, oi
Oi, mine muhku. Seda lased, või? Ja käib. Oi!
Mine muu! Ai!
Lõpus läks.
Sa kallutasid täist taha, sa pead täist sirgelt seisma siin.
Jaa, aga ma nagu tahtsin sirgelt minna, aga mul läks külje peale ka. Ma täpselt pidi
Filmi ikka veel.
Ai,
Ma panen mingi 3 poisi seal äkki.
Davai.
Ma ei tea, kui hea maandumine seal, ma prappaan puru peale, saan kukelpalli teha seal.
Okei. Kas...
Sõida lihtsalt.
Ma selja taga pigem, või?
Sõida siin pool. Nii palju saaks.
Davai. Oi, ei peastu, okei, edasi. No tule. Oi, jumal. Said haiget või?
Värvikraad.
Ei saa liikuma enam või?
Okei, ma lähen siia. Proovin alumist boksini jõuda.
Ma ei tea, mis on.
Jah, see. See on jumala lõdva. Jepp lahti tuli. Lõi kinni ju. Libe siin on.
Ja jalast ära jälle. Juu! See oli hea.
Ei, nüüd ilma roppusteta.
Vaba!
Ei mäleta.
Mööda, no ma lähen sinna, tegelikult ei lähe ka, me ootame. I broke my finger. Okei, ma ei lähe üldse peal suunas, kui ma tahan minna. Elva nimel nüüd. Peaaegu!
Sa tegid seda!
See oli nii sketsi, nägid, kui palju ma niimoodi lasin. Miljon! Oh yeah!
See oli see, et täpselt enne
Tundus nii kõrge tõuda.
Ma ei vaata seda auku sisse. Vaata ka sealt. Ei tule see kaldesse. Ei vaata siit aega.
Yo! Okei. Tai. Sipelgas. Vend hüppas kaadrist välja. Can. Yo! Ooh. Damn. Aber. Ja, lõpp.
Väga häält kiiver pääs.
Küll. Disko käib.
Sa oled kõlar jälle.
Küll, noh. Ai, Yo! Fookus ai ja vend ongi maas. Ja ikka fokusseeri ära. Nice.
Iga on hästi küll paigas.
Oh yeah. Oi oi. Oh yeah, oi tegelikult. Ma näitan nüüd, mis ma täna õppinud olen Sandriga. Esmalt korda niimoodi teed talle, jah? Tulin esmalt korda elus lumelauda sõitma. Ma olen ühe korra suuska sõitnud 4.-5. klassis. Mul meeldis hästi palju puududa koolist. Ja siis, kui ma lõpuks kooli läksin talvel kehalise kasvatuse tundi, siis õpetaja pani mind suusatama. Aga väike jama oli. Lund ei olnud, ainult jää oli. Ja siis ma sain suusatamisest lumelauast veits siuke trauma. Aga nüüd tänu Sandrile me oleme siin ja nüüd ma olen professionaalne lumelauasõitja. Mis asi see olema peaks? Ja tahad öelda, ma peaks siit alla saama nüüd kuidagi. Kui see video pealt tundub väike, see ei ole üldse väike. Ja nice vaade on küll. Ma ei oleks arvanud, et
Tuha natuke siia poole, seal on jäine.
Nii kaugel. Lähme taal määrest.
Siit äärest kogu aeg.
Hoiame vasakule või? Rohkem nagu sirgeks saada, kui oli pärendatud ära kuidagi, jumal lõbus oli. Läks küll käima. No sinuga lugu rääkida. Kuidas tänane päev möödunud on?
Tänane päev on möödunud väga hästi. Kõik on korrapäraselt läinud. Kukkunud palju, õppinud palju ja nautinud palju.
Hästi öeldud.
Korda.
lahedad need valgused on ka siin praegu.
Oh, objection. That's the 17th time that he has sworn so far.
Richard, please.
All right, I'm sorry about all the about all the stuff, but the prosecutor is he's an effing bad guy, and he's pissing me off.
He can't even speak without swearing. Your Honor, this is ludicrous. It's a disgrace to these proceedings.
Thank you. Richard, since you chose to defend yourself and fired the public defender, I guess it's your turn to question the witness.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
And Richard, before you begin, I'd like to say that I think this is a bad idea. However, you do have a right to defend yourself, so proceed, but please remember to watch your language.
Look, I can't speak without swearing, and I've only got my grade 10, and I haven't had a cigarette since I've been arrested, and I'm ready to fucking snap. So I'd like to make a request under the People's Freedom of Choices and Voices Act that I be able to smoke and swear in your courtroom. Because if I can't smoke and swear, I'm fucked. And so are all these guys. I won't be able to properly express myself at a court level, and that's bullshit. It's not fair, and if you ask me, I think it's a fucking mistrial.
This man can't represent anyone. Your Honor, he's a complete and total idiot.
Now, although I am opposed to that kind of language in my courtroom, I'm going to allow it, as unfortunately it is part of your right to a fair trial. So you may proceed, but please, I want to remind you that this is not a carnival. Richard, you have permission to smoke and swear.
Thank you. I'm just gonna get some cigarettes, actually. Let's go, Smokes.
But I only got 2 left.
I don't care. You've been a dick all morning. It's the least you can do for me.
Oh, for the love of God.
Just the defendant, please.
My first order of business is to tell the prosecutor to shut the fuck up and to wipe that stupid fucking grin off his face because it's distraculating my case. Next, I'd like to announce that Randy and Leahy have been drinking all fucking day. They're wasted of their fucking minds, and they're both assholes. And the testimony they just gave was total fucking bullshit. And I can prove it, and I'm gonna show you what really fucking happened here.
Hey, boys, here's $20 cash. Fill up for him, please.
Don't know what that's for. Probably prostitution. We don't want your money, Corey and Trevor. Watch him put the right in his pocket, right there.
What's going on with you guys anyway?
Oh man, we're sick from stealing so much gas, but we should be better in like 6 to 8 days.
Stealing gas? Why, Corey and Trevor, that's highly illegal. You shouldn't be stealing gas, Corey and Trevor.
That's right. It's fucked up to be stealing gas like Corey and Trevor did, and you know, I don't want anything to do with Corey and Trevor's gas stealing. We wanted nothing to do with it.
Me neither, you know what I'm saying? Only whack suckers like Corey and Trevor steal gas and deal dope.
But that was...
All right, see you later, Randy.
No, I don't want to say anything about the dope dealing because, you know, I don't know anything about that, but clearly they accepted money on film, and they admitted they stole gas, and they're sick. I mean, look at them. That's gas sickness. Fucking idiots. I got nothing else to say right now, except that the Crown and Leahy can go fuck themselves.
You're not buying any of this bullshit, are you?
Sit down, please, sir, or you'll be in contempt of court, and watch your language.
Yeah, Leahy, sit the fuck down. Truth fucking hurts, doesn't it, you son of a bitch?
Booby sub booby, Ricky.
Okay.
Whatever. Defense rests. Everybody can fuck off. Except you. I didn't mean you, but those
Thank you,
two guys
Richard.
and him.
You may be
Can
seated.
you guys get the fuck out of the way, please?
Okay, well, I think I've heard enough, and I'll be back shortly with my verdict.